Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol NIO. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Did this analysis on Monday, so that is where the green line notation here is coming from. And overall, a nice looking day and a situation where a lot of people are going to be paying attention to a certain dynamic, which I'll get to here in just a second. But now that we have more data, what I'm going to do here is making a little adjustment. And the key dynamic here is which direction is the adjustment being made. So what needs to happen after, like I said, the fact that we have more data is that this level of support has very clearly established itself right up here at $3.30. So you can see back on Monday, the price found some support there. You fast forward to today, once again found some support there. So 330, that new ideal level of support. And the dynamic here is, well, I had to move that level of support higher. So whenever adjustments from the support side of things need to be adjusted higher, always a good step in the right direction. Now, that doesn't mean that this thing is therefore headed up to $5, but my point is it's much better to see levels of support be adjusted higher rather than needing to adjust them lower. So that's the first dynamic. Now, the other big thing that a lot of people are going to be watching, so this is not some sort of great discovery on my part. I assure you people that use charts, understand charts, have taken notice and are going to be watching and wondering the same thing. And I bring all that up because when a lot of people are watching and wondering the same thing, call it a self-fulfilling prophecy, call it whatever you want. It can produce some very dynamic price movements, and that's what we have going on right here. The price essentially closed right at this purple line, which on my chart represents the 50-period moving average. So the big question going forward is, wow, are the bulls about to get the breakout? Is the price about to break through this very well-known, very followed level of resistance? That remains to be seen, but right here at 350, definitely a very important level to watch from the resistance side of things. In the event the price can get up through 350, again, 350 being that 50-period moving average, next key overarching level of resistance at that point would be right up here around $3.65. So breakout potentially right on the on-deck circle for you baseball fans of occurring. So let's see if the Bulls can get that job done or not. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.